Alright, what's up guys? So it's the early morning. This is when the server is most dead. I think there's only 2 other people online right now. So this is when I can get the most done. I'm actually not really planning on doing updates this stream. Just kind of exploring around, you know? What happened to the skins? What the hell? Well, these all got messed up. Huh, weird. The skins got messed up for some reason. Go in editor mode and fix this. You know, this guy never really came back. What was this guy's name again? The Garfield guy? He never really came back to the server, did he? Maybe he switched his skin, because I don't even see him in here anymore. Did someone, like... Did Zach ban him before? Because he's not even on Bal Top anymore. Maybe he just switched his skin. I actually forget whose skin this was. Anyways. Yeah, Zoggy, you eat some weird stuff, Zoggy. I can actually test around with stuff now that... now that people aren't online. Let's go see what Evil Noi did with the house we were building. I mean, I wasn't really helping too much. Alright, he got a bit done. Yeah, it's coming along. It's definitely not done yet. Where is it? What color is 7? About 8. Alright, that's a good one. There we go. Oh, what now? Okay, let's go. Let's go train Zobo up in the end. I'm gonna need a strong pet. What the hell? Level 7 now. am I here? I gotta train up my pets, obviously. I'll fall behind the rest of the server. Pets are one thing, even with admin privileges, that I can't give myself, like, anything over-leveled. So if I get in combat with anyone... Does this work? Yeah, look, it doesn't work right now. I didn't fix this last stream. Bro, I'm not, like, interacting with people in this stream. The whole reason I came on right now is because there's, like, no one online. I didn't come online to interact with people. I specifically came online when no one's online to do stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to add everything to shard sell and money sell. There's too much items that aren't worth anything. Need to fix that. Taking down all the Enderman girls. All the Ender girls. / GUI. Let's go to the Nether. See what we got going on in here. Hey! Stop killing my Zobo. Level 8. Nice job, Zobo. You're getting stronger. One sec. Pet. Foe. Level 8. So damage 6. I don't know how much better that is than her default. See how much she improves if she levels up. Yeah, bro, I came on because I don't want to interact with anyone right now. I just want to train. Oh no, Zobo was killed. Wait. Let me do. There you go. Pet here is kind of broken. You can respawn your pets instantly with pet here. Why don't I just get rid of the OP sword extension? Like, that's the thing that's causing this. Zobo was killed by Hoglin. Oh man. Alright, so yeah, there's a few things that I want to edit in the server files right now. So plugins. I'm gonna get rid of OP sword, but I have to do that when the server is closed. The other thing is shard sell. This is my shard sell. Can you add every single item? Alright, so that's the shard cell, and then the cell GUI is like in economy GUI, I'm pretty sure. Where is economy GUI? Come on, where's economy GUI? There it is. No, this is the shop. So this is the one I used. What's the plugin? No, not this one. I think the cell GUI we made was custom. So it makes it so confusing, because it wasn't this one. This one didn't work. Cell. Was it Donut SMP cell? Alright, I'll have to figure it out later. I don't exactly know what we used for cell GUI. Like, you think it would just be called cell GUI in here, but it's not. Pretty sure this is for smart spawners. Yeah, these are all for smart spawners, smart spawners, smart spawners. What's this one for? Oh yeah, this one might actually be the cell GUI. Screw you. Honestly, half the time Claude only makes things worse than better. These stupid rate limits. But that's what happens when you want to build a Minecraft server for free with no coding experience. Just get it done. Should up. Yeah, we should up the passive reward on the server. So you get like 20 shards, and then like 50 per kill. Yeah, I like that. How many people are online right now? I don't know. I can't leave the server offline. Gotta go by. Right. So that'll up to, what do you mean? I'm gonna get my laptop and create a gamma machine, a cool one. If I do another server reset, I'd ideally like to get the trade function working for Pet Shop, but it already should work, so maybe I could just get it working without a bridge. That would be ideal. What a stupid AI. Retry 3 times. Oh, so dumb. Why is Smirky on his alt? Thought I fixed that. His other account shouldn't be getting kicked. Yeah, what is up with you? Just doesn't allow to horse, doesn't allow riding. What's up, Roy John Patrick? That's not gonna fix it. It's worth a try. Oh, great. Bro, like, I'm trying to do shit. Fuck the server then right now. Fine, fuck the server. I'm shutting it all down right now. There, now I can actually do shit. Juke loop, that'll be deleted. Mythic weapons, that's not needed. Shards. Super vanish, unsafe enchants. Shot. Enchant guard. Yeah, juke loop, that can be deleted. I don't think we need 2 of LPC mini messages. Mace nerf. Mob spawn bridge. That doesn't even work, I'm pretty sure. Original bedrock anvil fix. That doesn't work either. Or maybe I'll keep that in for now so I can possibly fix it later. Placeholder API. I don't even know what these ones are. Shard cell. Oh yeah, of course you didn't do anything. You're useless. Stupid AI. URL custom disks. That's useless. Donut settings. I do plan on getting that stuff working one day. Bedrock anvil fix. Yep, that's the one that doesn't work. BSRU no mob spawn. I'm pretty sure that whole plugin is just broken. Donut SMP. Players won't. Yeah, exactly. Players won't let me work on the server right now. Smart spawners. I can get a lot more done when the server isn't up for many reasons. I only had it up for the players, but the players were just messing around and wanted to kill me, and they weren't even doing anything. So there's no reason for the server to be up right now. If the only two people online want to just mess around and try to kill me while I'm trying to fix the server. So where is it? I could add a playtime top, but that's not priority right now. Come on, come on. This is the my pet plugin. For some reason, the slash trade except pings back with Still got a lot of stuff to do. Weren't you the one at spawn that was just trying to kill me? Didn't seem like you had a lot of stuff to do. Can you please turn the server back up? I really want to play. It's my favorite server. Same. You guys are just messing around while I'm trying to work on it. Like, I keep the server up so you guys can play while I'm working on it. But keeping the server up while I work on it makes it harder for me to work on it. Not just because I got dumb stuff like that going on, with you putting me through the portal and attacking me while I'm trying to do stuff, but also because I literally can't edit the server. I can't edit the server while it's up. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I do this as a hobby, not as a job. We could drop to 0 players, and I wouldn't care. Like, I do this for you guys and for myself as a hobby, so people can have fun. It's not about money. When I have people doing dumb stuff like that, it just is annoying. Like, I honestly don't care if the player count of the server drops to 0. It's not about having players, and it's not about money. It's just about trying to have fun. And for me, being annoyed isn't very fun. It's just annoying. What's the server at now? Let's see. 50.3 gigabytes. Yeah, we're still stalled. Like, I still have 1.23 terabytes, and that's with all the video. Hold up. I got a bunch of videos on this computer that I can delete. Like, all these can be deleted. And it's probably in my recycling bin. Whose player data is this? Probably Zach's. I think that's the only player data I deleted. Or no, Zach still has his player data. Yeah, delete those. Let's see how much storage that frees up. Oh yeah, that just freed up like 50 gigabytes. Just what I deleted there. Holy. That's crazy. Yeah, I have enough storage space on this computer to literally generate the whole 3 million blocks. Let's actually see what. Oh, stupid Claude. It's gonna run out of its free trial before it even generates me what I need. Stupid Claude. So if we go into, where is it? I think it's server properties. We can see how big the world is. I forget if it's max world size. What is this? That's 100, that's 1,000, that's 10,000, that's 100,000, that's a million. Yeah, the world size is 29.9 million by 29.9 million. So I could put a world border, but I'm not going to. I got so much storage on this computer. Max players 50, I could up that eventually. Online mode true. OP permission level 4. Pause when empty seconds. Player idle timeout. Query port. Rate limit. Recon password. Spawn protection 16. Should probably turn that down. The issue is straightforward and is controlled by max storage pet count. I don't think that's true. We'll see. Your current setting is 45. The fix. Receiving player needs to free up a slot, release or delete a pet, or you can raise/remove the cap to effectively disable the limit. Set it to very high or negative if your My Pet version supports it. That is not the issue. I only have 3 pets, and it says that on trade. The issue is the trading, as I said in the first place. Bedrock players are also stuck with 1 pet for some reason. What happens when Bedrock players do /switch? Let me check. /pet switch. Alright, bro, especially on my regear machine. Oh, you're working on a regear machine? At least you do stuff for us, unlike Dr. Donut who removed shop for no reason. Yeah. Well, I'm trying, man. The server's just about fun. And I hate working on it. I wish I didn't have to work on it. Oh, we got 0 people online right now. See, you guys don't even want the server up. I can take the server down. Nobody's even playing it right now. It's been up for like 2 to 3 minutes and nobody's even playing it. Well, if nobody joins, I'm going to take it back down so I can work on it. /pet switch. You don't have any stored pets, so it must be a storage issue. Controls the trade behavior directly. The system is permission-based. Both issues you're describing stuck at 1 pet points the same. Trade, you already have a pet error. This message actually fires. The receiving player has an active pet out at the moment. They're on trade accept. Wait, really? You can't have your pet out when doing a trade? Let me just try this with myself. Pet call. Bedrock player stuck at one pet. This is almost certainly an issue in your config. You have permission enable extend false. Permissions are enabled, meaning my pet enforces the my pet storage limit number. Permission node control how many. Yes, that is already done in LP perms. You are not giving solutions here. Bedrock players can't even open /pet switch even with permissions. It says like the trade thing is just straight up broken. /pet pet trade KingBlaisy. Oh yeah, I'm not online right now. Best way to fix this is just to trade with myself, see if it works. $30 vanilla MC terabytes is crazy. You're doing it right, dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, Roy. You seem to understand, or I should just say, like, have common sense. You're a pretty reasonable guy. Some people don't understand what we're trying to build here. We're not trying to build a massive Minecraft server empire. Just a fun server for 10 to 100 people to hop on, have some fun. Not worry about real world money. You know, just enjoy the moment. Just enjoy Minecraft how it should be. I mean, you already paid for Minecraft, you already paid for your internet. Why should you have to pay the server too? It's just greedy. Like, I can kind of understand it from Donut SMP's perspective because they have such a large server. They gotta pay for that stuff somehow, but at this point they're just getting greedy. They were making enough to operate before. Now Dr. Donut just wants money. He just wants to get rich. That's blatantly obvious. Because Donut SMP was making enough to survive before. The money mechanics they're adding now is just completely greedy. Oh yeah, the 20 shard thing is up. You get 20 shards every minute now, guys. I upped it from 5. And you should get 50 shards per kill. Actually, you might get like 65. Somewhere around there. Let's see. Found it. The database tells a story clearly. Look at Bedrock players. Those are Floodgate, Geyser, XUID based UIDs. They all start with 00. Yeah, my pet's storing pets correctly against their internal UUID, but the multi-world field for Macross is completely empty. Well, every other player has a valid active pet UUID set in there. That empty multi-world is exactly why pet switch says you don't have stored pets. My pet looks at multi-world. The fix for Macross right now, just for Macross? We need a fix more than just for Macross. Oh, are you kidding me? Sheer geyser and floodgate. Update isn't a command. You offered Zabo to Lil Blazy. To accept with slash pet trade accept. This one says you don't even have permission to use that, which isn't true. I gave permissions. Yeah, look, my pet command trade offer. It's there. Let me check the limits real quick. There might be multiple in here though. Yeah, the limit should be more than 5. Storage limit should be 45. Maybe that one, my pet storage. What if I just do my pet storage? I doubt that'll fix it. Because Java players have access to it, so Bedrock players should too. So that's definitely not the issue. Yeah, that's what I thought. You already have a pet. But yeah, what if I just add all these? Do I have to add them one by one maybe? Chicken, cod, cow, creeper. So I don't have these in one by one, but I shouldn't have to do that. I mean, it's worth a shot, right? Let's try this. Just give permission to every animal for trade. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Oh yeah, then you gotta get permissions to receive maybe? Because I would already have permissions when trying to trade on my admin account, but when it comes to the player who's trying to actually send me that, they wouldn't. I don't know, it's kind of confusing. Clearly the trade function works. It's the trade accept that isn't working because I'm trying to trade with someone who isn't an admin. If this doesn't work, let me just make my other account an admin, and if that fixes it, we'll know it's a permission issue. But let's just see if this works first. Holy. Alright, let's just do that. How many did that update? Oh yeah, look how many that updated. It filled up my whole chat. Okay, let's try this again. So slash pet trade KingBlaisy. You offered Enderman. Good. Now slash pet trade accept. You already have a pet. That doesn't make any sense. And look, my pet inventory isn't even full. Yeah, look, on Java you can have up to 45 pets. Well, I only have one other thing to test. This will give me all the permissions, or it should. Slash game mode C, let's test it out. Yeah, so now I have admin permissions on this account. So then let's test it. You already have a pet. So it's not a permission issue. I tried trading with 2 admin accounts. Still said you already have a pet. So it is not a permission issue. First, let's get Bedrock to allow more than one pet. Default in LP perms is set to 45. Yet Bedrock allows one. Why? I have a question. Can you make it to where you can buy evoker spawners on Shard Shop? Why? They're already cheap for money. It'd be better just buy skeleton spawners on Shard Shop. Well, on Crate Shop or Crate Keys. I don't know why you would want to buy evoker spawners with shards when it's better to just buy. Like, evoker spawners don't give you nearly as much money as a skeleton spawner does. And I have a full picture of the extended info. Blob for every bedrock player decompresses to zeros. Yeah, that's MBT tag indicating an essentially empty minimal data structure. The real problem, my pet uses Mojang UUID column to do its luck perms permission lookup for floodgate. Not standard. Alright, option 1, use my pet storage permission on floodgate group directly. In LP params bedrock, they need their own group to run LP commands. LP create group bedrock. But no, 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 no. In config, I really don't think this is gonna work. Like usually, even though I don't know coding and stuff, usually I can tell when the AI is onto something, and this does not sound like a fix. It's like the AI is just throwing stuff at the wall and hoping it sticks. Change to false permissions. Wait, 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 wait. If I remove the permissions to false, what is stopping people from running admin commands, like giving themselves pets for free? This might work, and it might be a terrible idea at the same time. The permissions enabled flag in MyPet only controls the storage limit lookup. It does not disable command permissions. Those are separate nodes enforced by luck perms regardless. So turning it off just means MyPet. How many pets can this player store and use? I don't think this is going to work. I really don't. Slash reload. I don't want to use plugman X to reload this. Plugman X always breaks. Alright, let's just try it and see if it breaks. That file is not available. Yeah, now it's broken, isn't it? Yeah, now it's broken. Plugman X sucks. What a terrible plugin. Atrocious. I knew it was going to do that too. Like, bro, even with my limited knowledge of coding and running servers, it's like sometimes it feels like I still know more than the AI. Oh yeah, and in server properties, so I don't have to keep switching it, we should just put it in hard mode. Where is it? Difficulty. Did I already do this? Oh yeah, see, easy right there. Hard. Hardcore, false. No, we don't want people to die upon joining, right? Or die upon dying, or be forced to leave, whatever. Alright, it's gonna be an easy mode. I'll change that. There, now every time I do a server reset. Wait, do you got the OP? What happened to my audio? There it is. Tresse, did you get the OP sword? Or the OP sphere? Is that just a normal sphere? Oh, it's just the normal one. You don't got the OP one yet. Yeah, the OP one is still pretty new. Oh yeah, Tresse, are you in chat? I need to know, you're not on Bedrock, so I need to know, did it force you to get the texture pack? Because I added a plugin, so it should force. Yeah, you got the texture pack? Haha, let's go. No, you don't? Wait, do you? Or wait, I don't need that. You can keep that. Oh, you don't got the texture pack? Wait, you do have the OP sphere or spear. Yo, that's crazy. Alright, let's test with Bedrock. See if the refresh worked. I highly doubt this worked. You got like OP everything. I got so many evoker spawners on this account that I need to delete. I'm not surprised it didn't work. Let's dig deeper. If permissions aren't the issue, then my pet must be misidentifying the Bedrock player on Reconnect and creating a duplicate player record. I don't think that's what it's doing, is it? Most pet plugins like My Pet or similar Spigot plugins are inherently designed to limit players to only receive one pet at a time. You can bypass this restriction, meta alias to store your current pet. Solution pet swap instead of having multiple pets follow you at once. No, we already have a pet switch system built in LP perks set to 45 pets. That is not the issue. can pet trade you. But yeah, let's see. Let's test this if it works for Java. If this is just a bedrock. Yeah, let's do a pet trade, bro. Do you want Zobo? I think he's level 8 or she. Lil dude. Here, let's. You should feed Zobo soon. You already have a pet. Yeah, see, it says you already have a pet. Like, look, when I send it to you too. This isn't even just a bedrock issue. This is a server issue. Pet trade. Look, try to do pet trade accept. It won't work. Okay. Well, that lets me know Bedrock players are going to be stuck with one pet, and honestly, I'm fine with that. I just thought it might just be a Bedrock issue, so that gives me good information. Thanks. I really don't care about fixing the Bedrock players stuck with one pet because, I mean, that's what you get for being a Bedrock player. Like, fuck Bedrock. I hate Bedrock, bro. I have your boots, do I? Oh, I do, sorry. I mean, that's your punishment for being a Bedrock player. You can only have one pet. So at least I know I don't have to fix that. Let's work on fixing the pet trade then. Because I thought I was going to have to fix the bedrock issue to fix the pet trade issue. But yo, King, can I 1v1? Sure, you can 1v1 whoever you want. It's not me, I'm doing stuff. Let's try to fix this. So should I just build a bridge to get pet trade working? Like is it slash pet? So it's slash pet switch to switch between yourself. So to switch between players, maybe we should do slash pet swap. We'll do that as the plugin. Where's my pet? There it is. This plugin has slash pet trade player built in, right? It doesn't work, however. Can you build slash contemplating standby? I download this, is it going to be a snapshot? Yeah, see, it's a snapshot. This one is the same version I have. So let's see what the comments say. There's no comments on this website, is there? Like the pet trade function is just completely broken. Oh yeah, see? Configure storage limits per permission group. See, if I was a greedy server owner, I would just give everyone a 1 pet limit, and then people who pay could get like 30, 40 pets. But everybody just gets 45 pets, except Bedrock players, because that's their punishment for being a Bedrock player. Yeah, Bug Rock is terrible. Dude, you have to get the texture pack. Yeah, I was a Bedrock player for a little while too, when I only had a PS5. About like 2 years ago, I had my laptop, my gaming laptop, and my PS5. My gaming laptop is good, but I prefer to play my PS5 a lot of the time, just because it had a lot of exclusives like Final Fantasy, things like that. So I didn't see the need to get a PC. And yeah, I was playing Minecraft Bedrock for a while. This is weird generation. This looks artificial. SS, please. What is that, like some Nazi shit? SS soldiers? Screenshot. Bro, I was already standing there for... Oh, is this the spider? I really want to know if Java players are forced to get the shader, like the texture pack. Because the texture pack doesn't adjust anything else other than mobs. And it makes all the mobs like Minecraft girls. You don't have it? Oh, okay. I must not have set it up properly. Wait, what is... Oh, this is a witch? What? Is it supposed to look like that? Classic lint. Oh, you don't even have this? The, what's it called? Detailed animations. It's what makes, like, the players move like this. I've really got to fix my shader pack. It's been broken for a little while. Oh, it's pretty bad for PvP, really? Yeah, I guess it might make the hitboxes look a bit different. What is this thing? Wait, what would this be? Is this a different type of zombie, maybe? What even is this thing? Oh, it's a that's a creeper, okay. Couldn't tell. Didn't even really look like a creeper. It's a husk? Dropped gunpowder, though. None of it sold. Yeah, what? A bit longer. Thanks for your patience. Well, I could be patient, but you're gonna set my rate limit, and then you're gonna tell me to upgrade. Sure. Show me your base. I'm on bedrock. Yeah, I can tell. Bro, it's pretty easy to tell when someone's on bedrock. Oh, thought I was about to drop down there. Nice! Wait. This isn't world edited. I don't think I did this. No, this isn't a world edit. Did you build this? Did I world edit this? I don't think I did. Pretty sure I would have remembered that. Oh, okay, yeah, it just looks so good. I thought it was a world edit. Nice. Yeah, this looks really nice. How many spawners you got? Okay, they're all evokers. Evil stole across the spawners, so I don't have many. Yeah, and then Evil had his base destroyed by Macross. Yeah, it is you on Baltop. Who's on Shard Top right now? Shard Top kind of matters more than Baltop. Yeah, you are. You know how many spawners you could get with? I think one of these was mine. Here, you can have all of them though. Little dude. That's yours? Oh, thank you. I don't really have a base right now. I need to offload a bunch of stuff. And this is why I need to update Sell GUI and Shard Sell, because there's so many items you can't sell. It's quite annoying. Oh, Evil Noi is back on. Now I have a clear picture. The built-in / pet trade accept checks has active my pet on the receiver and blocks. Yeah, this isn't going to be done in time. It's actually really funny. Someone attempted to do a lava cast and failed. Yeah, I might not fix the pet trade system tonight. Claude is just being a pain. You don't feel like PvPing him right now? Kind of like me. I don't feel like fixing the pet trade system. So these are just remnants of the world structure. I might leave my own little mark on the server over here. Get out of the way. Is that even gonna get over? Barely. Let's get rid of one of the OP swords. Get out of here. Oh, thank you. Oh, I did it too fast, didn't I? Damn. Lava flows too slow. Just let the water funnel all the way down. It's a disaster out here. Wait, this is a chicken. What the hell? Yeah, I think some of the textures didn't load properly. Oh, it actually did it! I didn't think it would do it. I decompiled command trade class and confirmed the issue. When the receiver types /pet trade accept, it literally calls has active my pet. And if true, sends message command trade receiver has pet. You already have pet. And stops. It's a hard-coded gift flow, not a swap flow. No config can fix it. How pet swap bypasses this entirely. The trick is deactivation order. The check that kills pet trade fires because the receiver still has live pet entity spawned at the moment of transfer. Pet swap does this instead. Pet swap, player B, player A sends off restored in memory. Pet swap accept, player B accepts. Deactivate A's pet, deactivate B's pet, swap stored owner. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. To build, we'll download all first. Alright, if I can actually build this properly, this should actually work. Lacey, can I use... It is /pet choose skill tree, bro. Do I have it in GUI? No, I should add the pet skill tree in here. Yeah, pet choose skill tree is really stupid. I always do /pet skill tree too. That's the wrong command. It's a really dumb command. That's why it needs to go in GUI. Is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Let's extract it. What? Oh, extract all. Why is it doing that? Whatever. We'll just see if this works. Copy as path. CMD. CD. Control V. Now it should be in the right one. And then it should just be... No, this has to be on its own. Perfect. /command. Run this instead. I could just build it, I know this will work. It's just about building it properly. Or wherever the jar is saved. Okay. Okay. Let's get the jar. We'll copy this. We'll just make a new one so we're not going off the server one. Because that could be bad. Copy. Downloads. Paste it. Copy as path. CMD. CD. That. Yeah, so I guess it is in CD downloads. You know, now that I actually have the downloads, maybe I could use this in another account. It's funny because Claude or Anthropic, the people who like made Claude, they put these rate limits in place for free tiers to like save resources, but the way I do it, this actually uses way more resources than if they just let me use it on one account. That's kind of the ironic thing. It's using way more resources than it should. I am trying to build this. Alright, the error is simple. Maven can't find the jar because the file name doesn't match. Your command uses underscores my pet. The actual file on the disk likely has. You don't need to rebuild the plugin is already there. There's some fireworks for your troubles. Anyone else want some fireworks since I still haven't fixed that in store yet? Oh, what is this? The hell is this? Here's some fireworks, bro. Anyone else want some good fireworks? Because I haven't fixed it in /shop yet, which I need to. You do? Okay. Alright, well, I guess you're not getting good fireworks. Can use your base. This is the base evil noise building for us. See here? No, he's not. Oh, what? He didn't even finish the glass here. Or maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I think that's by design. Here's some good fireworks that don't burst in your face. Alright, let's see. The jar is uploaded. Let me read the skill file first. Step 1, verify the file is there and get the real name. Stupid AI. Yeah, I do gotta go to downloads. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. This is the file path used. Okay, let's try this. Please, please work. Clean the package. If this builds, then we'll have the jar. Please. Please work. Please. Yes! Yes, the jar should be there. Pet swap jar. Okay, 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 okay. This is a custom coded one. If this works, that's awesome. So I'm gonna have to restart the server in a sec, guys. Alright. We're gonna do a quick server reset. Because I think pet swap should now work. I think I might do a community tab post too. Like a poll. And you guys can vote on if you want me to stop updating the server and just let it run forever. But there's going to be no more updates. Or if you want me to keep updating the server, but there is going to be restarts a few times every day. You know, they're like 30-second restarts. They're not a big deal. But I've seen some people complain being like, why does the server always restart? Why is there so many restarts? Like, I can understand when I was a player on Donut SMP, it annoyed me that they did those like queues each day where they put you in the lobby for a few minutes. But like, if you guys want updates, the server has to restart. I've tried installing plugins. Who just popped a totem? Was that Tressa? I've tried installing plugins that would let me reload them on the fly, but they don't work. Alright. Slash. Oh, I want to see this fight. Damn, I want to see this fight. Please. Wait, no, it's pet swap. Pet swap isn't a command? Okay, I got the jar. I thought it was pet swap. Pet swap player. Yeah. Did pet swap even load? Let's see. Placeholder API LPC. Oh, I can't even see who's winning. Damn, I want to see this fight. Pet here. Pet swap doesn't even show up. Oh, wait, who won? Setsuko was slain by Tresse using Mega OP. Wait, Tresse, you bought the Mega OP weapon? It's the same as the OP weapon. I didn't update the... Yeah, I'll have to remember you have that, bro. Because once I update the Mega OP weapon, it'll have Sharpness 32. Damn, you killed him with the normal OP weapon. That's not even the actual Mega OP weapon yet. You already have every OP thing? That's crazy. Well, I guess you did get a bunch of shards when the shard cell GUI was broken. You were the only one that jumped on the shard cell GUI while it was first implemented. So it was kind of broken. Yeah, you're still at shard top though, aren't you? Yep. You are. Damn. I don't think I picked up any of your stuff myself. Oh wait, I did. Some of your stuff. Wait, who's... This is your chest plate. This chest plate has to be deleted. This one's broken. It has unlimited uses. Wait. That might have been my chest plate. Yeah, that was my chest plate. I'm gonna take that back. That's my chest plate. But that is your pickaxe. Let me inspect the jar, see what's actually inside. There's your problem. The jar is essentially empty. It's missing the compiled.class file and the plugin.yml. The build succeeded, but nothing got compiled in. This happened because... And the base won't be done anytime soon. I was up all night and I still didn't sleep. That's fine, bro. I've really got to add a playtime top too. I'm really interested to see who has the most playtime on the server. No way it's me. I took a 2-day break. Playtime top will be an easy implementation compared to this pet shop bullshit. You have 5 days? You've got to be the most. I mean, the server's only 2 weeks old. You've been playing the server half the time it's been up pretty much. My chest plate? Pretty sure this one's mine. Let me check. This one's mine. This is the dragon? I have 46 dragon heads. Nice, that's a lot. What the hell is up with their hair? It's like I got a second cape. And you didn't even help me with it. You are terrible. Didn't fix anything. If anything, you just made things worse. Yeah, well, I'm not fixing it right now. I'm gonna work on adding a playtime top right now. I'll fix that later. If you need to get rid of pets, you can always do pet release. If you want to get a new pet. That's really the only option for Bedrock players right now. Is pet release. You gotta release your pet to get a new one, because pet trade isn't working. Can you make a /playtime top for my server using a bridge of this item? Alright, let's see if we can do that. First leaderboard, I ain't gonna be first. Really? You think someone's gonna beat you? Oh, you have 8 days. Yeah, you gotta be playtime top then. My zombie's invisible, I think. Yeah, it is. Well, I tried making the ender chest big the other day, but people are getting pissed off at me. Because once again, like when you're updating servers and stuff, you gotta beta test features, and I can't beta test features while people are online. It's really annoying about people. Because they're like, Blaisy, make the ender chest bigger, make the ender chest bigger. Then I go to make the ender chest bigger and I'm beta testing. They're like, where'd my ender chest go? Where'd my ender chest go? Bro, it's in your player data. It's there. Just remove the plugin. Remove the plugin. Like, what do you expect? I gotta beta test stuff. Not everything's gonna work first try. And I told them their stuff isn't gone. It's still in their player data. They're fine. But then they're like crying, like, just remove the plugin. So I can't even beta test stuff without people crying. Like, what do you want? Do you want bigger ender chests? Or do you want to cry that I'm beta testing the ender chests? I don't get it. I really don't. What the hell is that? That looks so terrible. I know, I'd rather have bigger ender chests too. But then people see that I'm updating the feature, they'll check their ender chest and be like, there's nothing in there. Yeah, because I got to import the player data. I was testing around with like importing the player data. They wouldn't let me do that. They said just remove the plugin. The golem or the other thing? I don't know. The villagers look... Yeah, they look good. The golem looks really fucked up though. Oh, it's got like a golem hat. Never mind, this one looks kind of good. It's got a hat on. That's what that is. But whatever that is over there. Are these pigs? Yeah, these are the pigs, aren't they? No, not friendly mode. Aggressive mode. Yeah. There you go. Get them. Get all of them. Can you get a beacon? Let's see. Doesn't know the skill beacon, right? It's a zombie. Oh, going for the villagers. Zobo. Oh, what happened to Claude? Why is it making everything so difficult now? Half the time it used to build the files for you. Now it not only doesn't build the files, but it makes you run a bunch of different commands, it seems like. Wow, I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm getting really sick of this. Let me find the path myself. Useless. Build succeeded. If we can just get this working tonight, I'll be happy with that. Okay, it is built. Will this work? What's the command? Playtime top. Good. Yeah, the jar is essentially empty. So you keep building you keep building empty jars. This is why I asked too. Because the stupid AI keeps building empty jars. Every time. You keep building empty jars. Yeah, the AI can't even build anything anymore. The jar only has 7 files and no class files. You piece of shit. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna keep playing for a little bit, but I'm done with that shit. Holy fuck. How has Claude gotten worse over the past few days? Like, it's way worse than it used to be. They gotta be doing that shit on purpose. Like, making it more stupid. Oh, you're tough, aren't you? There's no way the AI got exponentially worse over the past few days without Anthropic intervening. Yeah, heal up. No, 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 chill out. I still got you in aggressive behavior. What are these supposed to be? Oh, these are the little magma things, whatever they're called. Magma cubes. I'm still in creative. There we go. Ow! I need to get rid of the OP sword plugin. That's what's making it say your OP weapon is broken. It doesn't even break. We don't need an OP sword weapon plugin. It's just a specially enchanted sword. Just broke into 3 and they went flying into the lava. Zobo. Wait, what's your attack now? Still 6? This is my first time using an elytra in the nether. Gotta be fast with it, huh? what do we have here? Land! Oh no! Those are those wither skeletons. Get them. The blazes stayed the same. That is loud. No. Someone can beat me in a duel. They win 50 mil. Well, I barely beat you when you didn't have the OP armor. There's no way I'm beating you now. $500 mil. Oh. I really gotta fix this annoying text. No one beat me so far. Well, that doesn't surprise me. Wait, do you have the... I assume if you have the OP spear, you have the OP mace now, too. Yeah, no. I'm not fighting you in a duel. You didn't even have OP armor or OP mace the last time I fought you, and I barely beat you. Get me off shard top. I didn't know. Yeah, there's an OP mace now. And also the OP, I don't know when you got your OP armor, but the OP armor was updated. So your OP armor is outdated. It just has protection 32, right? The new OP armor has protection 32 and blast protection 32. For anyone who does crystal PvP. My armor's outdated too, I just have the old armor. But the new OP armor on the shard shop has blast protection 32 as well. Yeah, so is mine. I do plan on making a dual arena that will allow crystal PvP too. Yeah, there's the OP mace. It's actually only, what, 250,000 shards? It's still a lot, but you have way more than that. Oh, you bought it, didn't you? Yeah, you bought it. Okay, you got the OP mace now. You're probably the first person to get the OP mace on the server. kind of mid. The mace? You can get the exact No way. Wait, I haven't tried it out yet. I don't even know what it's like. Wither skeleton skull. Wait. What enchantments does it have? It should have really good enchantments. Okay. KingBlaisy, what? Do I need 250,000 to test it out? Well, yeah, it has density X. Wait, you can get density X in survival? Smite 5? Oh. Wait, what do you think it would need to have to be an OP mace? Like Windburst 5 and then density what, 20? See, like I'm not a mace user. I don't even know what the enchantments really are. Windburst 5 would be terrible for PvP. Okay. So you think just like density 20? It really doesn't matter. Well, maybe, what about breach? Every mace has the same max damage. Oh, it does? Oh yeah, since the nerf, true. Wait, so the nerf actually worked. I thought the nerf plugin was broken. Wait, I thought the nerf plugin was broken. It actually worked? See, I wasn't able to test it out myself. I don't even really know how maces work. Maybe it'd be smart for me to make a bridge that lets the OP mace override the nerf. Yeah, maybe. I gotta think about this. Yeah, the mace nerf config. Damage values, no change. Half damage, no damage from that source. Multiplier for mace's melee damage, base damage multiplier, fall damage multiplier. Multiplier for the bonus damage gained from fall height. The mace normally gains +2 damage per block fallen. This scales that bonus. Fall damage multiplier 0.3. Vanilla has no cap. Set to Set to a number to cap it, e.g. 10, max 10 blocks. The fall damage multiplier is at 1 or 0.3. Maybe I should set it to like 1.5 because that's a crazy nerf. It still needs to be nerfed, but I think set it to 0.3 is what makes it so terrible now. So I'll update it to 1.5. It's still not going to be as good as a vanilla mace, but it'll be much better than it is right now. And then for the OP mace, why is URL custom disks back? I must have forgotten to delete the jar file. Okay, so what matters for the OP mace then? OP weapon. Here it is. So yeah, this one has, where is it? Sharpness 20. Yeah, this one's supposed to have sharpness 32. It must be, I know what's interfering with it. It's the stupid OP weapon plugin that shouldn't even be there. It's a very bad plugin. What, this one? It had one purpose, and the one purpose doesn't even work. You should set it to the max low key. What to the max? Density? How are you still working on it? That's like the most basic request. I didn't even send you the text. Damn. Claude is so trash lately. Unbelievable. I might just fix this tomorrow. Yeah, fix it for me. Still didn't fix it? It's just text. Should be easy for an AI. I'm so done with Claude right now. Remove Minecraft custom data, the OP weapon uses PDC tag, fix the 4 sharpness from... No, 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 you're not supposed to fix that. Well, I'll have to go in and fix that myself. See, we're not supposed to... Did not tell you to edit that. So that's the OP weapon. And then this is the Mega OP weapon, right? You didn't change it. What? It still has uses, doesn't it? Cannot be repaired. Yeah. What are you talking? Still has custom data. Bro, am I crazy or did they make Claude more stupid over the past few days? Cannot be repaired. Did not remove that like it said it did. And I think it did remove the uses. No, don't strip the... Yeah, just make it like the normal weapons. Like the netherite axe here. Is the netherite axe in? I didn't even check. No, the axe didn't even get added, did it? Oh no, it did. It did. What does the axe have? Let's see what the axe has. The axe has sharpness 20. Okay. I do want to do a test. want to see if that's even possible. You can't even edit text without going over your limit. Unbelievable. I'm not even dealing with this right now. I'm ending the stream. That is unbelievable. I need to find a different AI. Claude is terrible. Like, I'm literally asking you to edit text. You can't even edit. This isn't even coding. This is just text. No, I'm not dealing with this right now.